Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will compare Notion versus Asana. We'll explore their core functionalities, helping you understand which platform best suits your team's unique needs. This comparison will highlight their strengths in different areas, from flexible content creation to structured project management. By the end, you'll have a clear picture to guide your decision, ensuring you pick the most effective tool for your workflow. Notion shines as an all-in-one workspace, offering unparalleled flexibility. It's perfect for building custom wikis, databases, and notes, allowing teams to create highly personalized systems. With hundreds of templates and endless customization options, Notion empowers users to manage information and projects in a way that truly fits their unique workflow, making it ideal for knowledge management and flexible content. Asana, on the other hand, is a powerhouse for structured project management. It excels at tracking tasks, setting clear deadlines, and managing complex workflows with ease. Teams can visualize progress through various views like timelines and boards, ensuring everyone stays aligned. With robust features for dependencies and team collaboration, Asana is designed to keep projects on track and delivered efficiently. So how do you choose? If your priority is flexible content creation, knowledge management, and highly customizable databases, Notion is likely your best bet. However, if structured project management, task tracking, and clear deadlines are paramount, Asana will serve you better. Consider your team's primary function and workflow to select the tool that truly enhances your productivity and collaboration.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.